Home security isn't just about locks and alarms, it's about peace of mind. It's about knowing that when you close your door at night, you're creating a safe space for yourself and your loved ones. In today's world, where so much can feel uncertain, having control over your home security is one of the simplest ways to reclaim a sense of stability. Your home is your sanctuary, the place you should feel safest. It's where you build your life, share laughter, and make memories. Every day, we invest time and energy into making our homes comfortable and welcoming. But sometimes, we overlook the basics that keep it all protected. We often take that safety for granted, leaving windows open or forgetting to lock the door. Maybe it's because we trust our neighborhood, or maybe it's just habit. But the truth is, even the safest communities aren't immune to risk. Most of the time, nothing happens. But it only takes one time for everything to change. A single oversight can lead to loss, not just of things, but of that feeling of security we all cherish. Security is about preventing that one bad day. It's not paranoia, it's common sense. Taking a few extra seconds to double-check a lock or set an alarm can make all the difference. Technology today makes it easier than ever to stay vigilant, even when you're not at home. You might think your neighborhood is safe, but times change and so do the risks. New people move in, circumstances shift, and what was once unthinkable can happen in the blink of an eye. Staying proactive is the best way to adapt to these changes. Criminals look for easy targets, not fortresses. The goal isn't to turn your house into a fortress, but to make it less appealing to intruders. Even small deterrents, like a visible camera or a well-lit entryway, can make a would-be burglar think twice. Simple, smart steps can make a big difference. Talking with your family about security, setting up routines, and using modern tools all add up. Feeling secure at home is a basic need, right up there with food and shelter. It's about creating an environment where everyone can truly relax. When you're not worried about safety, you sleep better and live better. It's about protecting your family, your memories, and your hard-earned belongings. The peace of mind that comes from knowing you've done your part is priceless. Security is a job every homeowner has, and it's worth doing right. You can't put a price on peace of mind. Taking action today means fewer regrets tomorrow and a safer, happier home for everyone. So, let's talk about how to make your home a safer place. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade, there are practical steps anyone can take to boost security and protect what matters most. Let's demystify the smart home. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of turning your house into a smart one, you're not alone. But the truth is, it's much simpler than it sounds. It's not about robots or talking walls, it's just your home, upgraded with a few connected gadgets. These devices are designed to blend seamlessly into your daily life, not take it over. Think of it like your smartphone. It does more than make calls, and smart home devices do more than their basic jobs. They add new layers of convenience, comfort, and even fun to your routines. A smart bulb is still a bulb, but you can control it from anywhere, whether you're on the couch or on vacation. Imagine never having to wonder if you left the lights on again. A smart thermostat learns your habits and saves you money by automatically adjusting the temperature. It keeps your home comfortable and energy efficient, without you lifting a finger. The magic is your home's Wi-Fi, connecting everything together. It's like the invisible thread that lets your devices talk to each other and to you. You don't need to be a tech expert. Most devices are plug and play, with simple app instructions. In fact, setup usually takes just a few minutes, and you'll be guided every step of the way. If you can set up a social media account, you can set up a smart plug. It's really that straightforward, and you'll be surprised how quickly you get the hang of it. Don't let the name intimidate you. Smart home just means your home works a little harder for you so you don't have to. A smart home is about convenience and control, not complexity. You decide what you want to automate, and you're always in charge. It's about making your life easier and your home safer. From locking doors remotely to checking in on your home while you're away, peace of mind is just a tap away. You're not replacing your home, you're upgrading it. You keep everything you love, but add features that make daily living smoother and more secure. It's a practical solution for everyday problems like forgetting to turn off appliances or wanting to wake up to a warm, well-lit house. And one of the biggest problems it solves, home security. With smart cameras and locks, you can always know your home is protected, no matter where you are. So, what's the real benefit of a secure smart home? First, it gives you control and awareness from anywhere. Forgot to lock the door? Check your phone and lock it remotely. Hear a noise while on vacation? View your security camera live. Smart security is proactive, not just reactive. Cameras and doorbells can alert you to trouble before it starts. Devices work together. Motion triggers lights, sends alerts, and can activate alarms. This layered defense is far more effective than any single gadget. Most importantly, it gives you peace of mind. You know your family and property are protected, wherever you are. That's the real payoff. The first line of defense for your home is your door. It's the barrier between your private world and everything outside, so it deserves the best protection you can give it. Traditional keys can be lost, stolen, or copied. Smart locks solve that. No more frantic searching for misplaced keys, or worrying about who might have a spare. With a smart lock, you get secure, keyless entry. Just use your phone, a code, or even your voice to unlock the door. No physical key required. Assign unique codes to family, guests, or contractors. No more spare keys under the mat or hidden in a flower pot. You know exactly who has access, and when. Temporary codes can be set for specific times, then expire automatically. Perfect for dog walkers, cleaners, or Airbnb guests. No need to change locks or collect keys. You control who enters and when, all from your phone. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or just upstairs, you're always in charge. Get instant notifications when the door is locked or unlocked. You'll know the moment your kids get home from school, or if someone tries to enter at an odd hour. Forgot to lock up? Just tap your app. No need to turn around or rush home. You can secure your door from anywhere in the world. It's a simple fix for a common worry. That peace of mind is priceless, especially when life gets busy. Installation is usually easy. Just swap out your old deadbolt. Most smart locks fit standard doors, so you don't need to be a tech expert. All you need is a screwdriver and a little time. In less than an hour, you can upgrade your home's security and convenience. Your front door is the main entry point. Make it smart. It's a small change that makes a big difference in your daily routine. A smart lock is the foundation of a secure smart home. It connects seamlessly with other devices, like cameras and alarms, for total protection. It's about convenience, control, and peace of mind. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. No more lost keys, no more uncertainty. Just simple, reliable access for everyone you trust. You decide who crosses your threshold. That's real security and real freedom. Once your doors are secure, it's time for eyes on your property. Today's smart cameras offer HD video, night vision, and wide coverage. Motion detection means you only get alerts when something happens. Many cameras can tell the difference between people, cars, and animals. No more false alarms. Video doorbells let you see and talk to visitors from anywhere. You can direct deliveries or turn away solicitors without opening the door. Place cameras at main entry points and driveways for best coverage. Visible cameras deter intruders before they try anything. The goal isn't to spy, it's to protect your space. Smart cameras are your 24/7 lookouts. Now, add the ears and voice. Your smart alarm. Modern smart alarms are easy DIY kits, no contracts required. Contact sensors on doors and windows trigger loud sirens and instant phone alerts if breached. Motion sensors inside add a second line of defense. Arm the system in home mode to protect the perimeter while you move freely inside. Choose self-monitoring or professional monitoring. No long-term commitments. A smart alarm's noise and notifications scare off intruders and keep you informed. It's a powerful, flexible tool for real security. All these gadgets mean more data, so privacy matters. Use strong, unique passwords for every device and app. Turn on two-factor authentication for extra protection. Secure your Wi-Fi with a strong password and WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. Consider a separate guest network for your smart devices. Buy from reputable brands with good security track records. Read privacy policies to know what data is collected and how it's used. Keep your devices updated with the latest security patches. Protecting your data is as important as locking your door. Digital security is part of home security now, don't overlook it. Lock up your data like you lock up your house. You've got the gear, now make it part of your routine. Arm your system every night just like brushing your teeth. Use schedules and automation, lights on at sunset, doors lock at bedtime. Set it and forget it for everyday security. Teach your family how everything works. Security is a team effort. Adjust settings as needed, fine-tune alerts and add sensors where you want. Start small and expand as you go. The system should fit your life, not complicate it. When everyone's on board, security becomes second nature. Your smart home should work quietly in the background. It's about making safety simple and automatic. Let technology do the heavy lifting. That's how you keep your home safe every day. We've covered how to turn your house into a secure smart home. It's about more than gadgets. It's about peace of mind. Smart locks, cameras, and alarms work together to protect what matters. Digital privacy is part of the job. Don't skip it. Make security a habit, not a hassle. You've made your home a harder target and taken control of your safety. The real reward? Sleeping soundly, knowing you've done the job right. It's not about the tech, it's about the confidence you feel. Protect your home, your family, and your peace of mind. In this world, that's a job worth doing.